Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Akanksha Prasad, consultant dermatologist. It's a pleasure to have you all here today, and I'm excited to discuss a topic that is so crucial yet often overlooked: the role of nutrition in skin health. Now let's get into today's discussion. Do you know that skin is often a mirror of your internal health? What we eat doesn't just fuel our bodies, but also impacts our skin texture, its appearance, and overall condition. If you're aiming for radiant and youthful-looking skin, focusing on what goes into your body is just as important as what you apply on the outside. But what exactly does that mean in practice? We'll go over the specific food supplements and simple dietary habits that can help you nourish your skin from within and give you a natural and healthy glow. Let's start with a list of top foods to consume for glowing skin. Number 1. Green leafy vegetables and fruits. It contains antioxidants which help repair cellular damage and delay the development of early signs of aging. Number 2. Nuts, chia, flax seeds and fish. These food items contain omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. This supports the skin barrier and enhances moisture retention, reducing inflammation. Tomatoes and green tea. It contains compounds that help protect the skin from sun damage, complementing the use of sunscreens. Carrots and sweet potato. It contains vitamin A, which is essential for skin cell production, repair, and preventing dryness. Citrus fruits and berries. They contain vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis and support skin elasticity and repair. Lastly, lean meat, eggs, and legumes. They contain biotin, which is essential for hair and skin health. Also, they contain zinc, which is important for skin healing and immune function. Now let's talk about dietary supplements. That's a question I get asked quite often. Do dietary supplements work? Which are the correct supplements to consume? It may not be possible to have all nutrients incorporated in your day-to-day diet. Thus, taking supplements are definitely beneficial, but not as a replacement for diet. So some supplements which can be regularly taken include the following. Biotin. It's necessary for the production of keratin, which is an essential nutrient in the development of hair and nails. Iron, folic acid, and vitamin D. Deficiency of this can cause premature hair graying and increased hair fall. Also, iron deficiency anemia is commonly seen among Indian women. Thus, supplementation of the above become very essential. B12. It is found in red meat and could be challenging to incorporate in purely vegetarian diet. Deficiency of this vitamin can cause hyperpigmentation, hair and nail changes, and oral changes. Oral collagen supplements can improve skin hydration and elasticity. Now, can dietary supplements have adverse effects on your skin? Yes. Like anything else, too much of a good thing can sometimes lead to unintended consequences, and supplements are no exception. While they can be beneficial, overusing or improperly combining supplements can negatively impact your skin health. For example, with the growing gym culture, one of the most commonly used supplements is whey protein. While it is a great source of high-quality protein for muscle building, there is some evidence suggesting that certain individuals could have skin problems like acne due to it. Concentrated whey supplements have the same whey content as 6 to 12 liters of milk per serving. Regular consumption can cause extensive new-onset acne, flare of existing acne, nail pattern baldness, and flakiness of the scalp. It also triggers oxidative stress, which can contribute to increased cutaneous aging. B12 supplements are also known to trigger acne and rosacea. As always, moderation is key, and it's best to listen to your body. If you are unsure, consult a doctor and figure out what works best for your skin. Let's have a look at some common skin conditions and which food to have or to avoid. Number 1. Acne. High glycemic index food like sugary snacks, white bread, which can cause insulin spikes, increases sebum and production of acne. There is also a link studied between dairy consumption and acne, possibly due to hormones present in milk. On the other hand, diets which are rich in anti-inflammatory foods, such as leafy greens, berries, and fatty fish, may help reduce acne. Number 2. Eczema, also known as dermatitis. Identifying and avoiding food allergens or irritants such as dairy, nuts, or gluten may help some individuals manage flare-ups of dermatitis. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids through foods like flaxseed and fish also helps to reduce cutaneous inflammation and improve skin barrier function. Number 3. Psoriasis. Psoriasis is an autoimmune skin condition that causes rapid skin cell turnover, leading to scaling and inflammation. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and fatty fish may help manage psoriasis by reducing systemic inflammation. As research continues to uncover the complexities of the relationship between diet and skin health, it's becoming clear that nutrition plays a critical role in both preventing and managing skin conditions. The growing body of evidence supports the idea that what we eat affects not only our general health, but also our skin condition and appearance. So that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Star Health Insurance YouTube channel. Thank you.